Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part two, and I apologize. I had to redo one. Uh, there was something wrong with it. So if you've seen part of this, anyway, the one yesterday, if you go to Object and Envelope and you pick a pre-formed, pre-chosen preset, you can do stuff like that. And I said in that video that it would take you a while to draw that. Well, or to do that evenly, but it's not really if you take the envelope tool and hold down the shift key. Well, there's a lesson right there. You need to go to unconstrained and then hold down the shift key in both keys, both nodes. I said yesterday that it would be hard to get that even. Well, holding down the shift key is going to be even because you can do whatever you want, and you can see it's making it even. But by holding down the shift key, you can duplicate that same thing. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.